A series of split air conditioners. Congratulations on your purchase of Hitachi split air conditioner. We are sure your purchase will give you great pleasure and comfort. This short guide helps you know the air conditioner better and to use the AC remote effectively for energy saving and comfortable air conditioning. Safety tips. Use ISI certified MCB or ELCB recommended for air conditioners. Ask your electrician to check earthing connection. The voltage between earth and neutral point should be 0 or maximum 3 volts. Use proper cables and wires without joints or breakage. If there is no option to join, then use insulated wire connectors to join the wires. How to use AC remote for better and comfortable cooling. Now let's see how to operate the AC from the remote control. Use remote control to switch on and off the AC. Select the mode, set the temperature and carry out several other functions. But before that, let us get to know the remote better. LCD display. The LCD display on remote indicates the selected operation mode. To start operating your split air conditioner, press on/off key. Use this key to switch on or switch off your air conditioner. When remote is on, segment grid lines can be seen on LCD display. Backlight key. Use this key to turn on the backlight of the remote for better visibility during day or night. Mode key. Use this key to select operating modes. Every time you press it, the mode will change from auto, cool, dry, fan, powerful. In auto mode, the controller will automatically set itself to an ideal comfort temperature and fan speed. Cool mode. Use this mode to set the desired room temperature and fan speed. Dry mode. Use this mode for dehumidifying the room during rainy season. Fan mode. Use this mode for quick room air circulation without cooling. Powerful mode. Use this mode to cool the room quickly with uniform air circulation. After 30 minutes, unit will operate with user set temperature and user set fan speed. Chime-in. Chime-in function is recommended for night usage. Chime-in mode automatically controls the room temperature to provide optimum cooling without creating a chill effect. 1 to 4 degrees of chime-in can be selected by pressing the chime-in key. Super cool. Use the super cool mode for extra strong airflow and cooling. Super silent operation. Use this key for uninterrupted sleep during night, so you wake up fresh. Act mode. It is also called the auto climate technology mode. In act mode, comfort settings and mode of operations shall be selected automatically based on selected comfort levels for displayed season of hot, very hot, humid. Timer key. Choose this key to turn on and turn off the air conditioner at your designated times. Digi-lock key. Use this feature to avoid unauthorized usage by password protection. My Mode key. Use this mode for personalized comfort settings. This function allows you to design your own comfort mode for one press operation. Horizontal deflectors. Use this key for adjusting the airflow in the upward and downward directions. Vertical deflectors. Use this mode for swinging the air deflectors in a parallel way to get the airflow in every corner of the room. Asymmetric swing operation. Use this mode for the adjustment of conditioned airflow in extreme left and extreme right positions simultaneously. Reset key. Use this mode to reset the handset to factory settings. Cleaning the filter. Filter cleaning of your split AC is a preventive maintenance activity for better cooling and energy efficiency. Please check for the filter clean reminder indication or clean the filter every 2 weeks using the following steps. Before the cleaning, disconnect the power supply to avoid any electric shocks. You must hold both sides of the front panel and gently open it upwards. Slightly lift the filter and release the claws at the lower part of the front cover and remove the filter from the lower side. Clean the dirty air filter with a soft brush under running water to remove the dirt particles present in the filter. You may also rinse the dirty filter with a regular detergent to remove the dirt of high quantity. After washing it, shake off moisture completely and dry it in shade. Reinstall the dry filter back in its original position. Put right filter in right cover and left filter in left cover and close the front panel properly. Reset filter clean indication on indoor unit after turning the AC to standby mode. Recommended. Use only Hitachi recommended stabilizers to avoid electrical fluctuations and ensure power supply in range of 207 to 253 volts. For comfortable cooling, set the temperature between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. For effective AC cooling, ensure windows and doors are shut. Draw the curtains to cut direct sunlight. Always get AC serviced by Hitachi authorized person. Cautions. For better operations, make sure nothing obstructs the air outlet and inlet vents of the AC units. Do not keep any appliances or LCD, tube light, CFL below the AC indoor unit. Avoid cleaning your AC with any chemicals or acidic spray. Connect with Hitachi. For any assistance or registering your complaint, visit www.hitachi-hli.com/service. Download Hitachi Care app from Google Play Store for convenience. Dial a care helpline number 35324848. Please prefix your local STD code in the mentioned number. Write to us at customercare@jci-hitachi.com. For more details, refer to the operation manual. At Hitachi, we always believe in providing world-class products with latest technology and superior services. This is Hitachi way of saying, I care.